guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am building a Volkswagen 1641. Got a table full of parts there and one of the case halves on the engine stand. It's been a while since I've been on the channel making a video. Been busy doing other things, but it's finally time to get this thing together. Like I said, it was a 1641. Here's the jugs and pistons. Got the cases all cleaned up. Got the crank all assembled here, connecting rods, all the gears, all that stuff on that. And yeah, let's get this engine together. Alright, so we just got the crank in, laid the bearings onto the pins. Everything's good there. Now we're going to put the lifters in.
Cam bearings and cam.
Yep.
And then we'll get the distributor drive gear in there. Yeah, we'll be on the way.
It's hard to see, but now we got the camshaft and crank timed right. Little 2 dots on the crank, one on the cam here. And now we're putting in the distributor drive, which goes right in there. Got the drive gear in for the distributor. Now we're at top dead center, and now we can put the O-rings in here. Now get these cases together. Gotta get the cap on the cam here.
And put a little sealant on that.
Yeah.
Well guys, I tell you, we had a heck of a time getting these cases together and having everything work smoothly. Every time we tried to put it together, we put the cases together, got them nice and tight, and the motor wouldn't turn. I'm like, what in the heck is going on in here? So we pulled one case off, and so we just have the crank sitting in there, and we would turn it, and it would actually pick the end of the cam up. Now, kind of tells you something is gummed up in the gears here. There's a gear that drives the cam gear. So, after, what, like 4 or 5 times of trying to see why those gears weren't meshing, or, you know, I don't know. I mean, I told Bobby here, there's some German engineer up in heaven just laughing his ass off, saying, oh, those Americans didn't see that piece of dirt in that gear or something. I don't know. But anyways, we got it back together, and the cam's in there.
Last time I placed the cam in, it started working perfectly, so I don't know.
But anyways, it's all together. It's together correctly. Lifters are in there. This thing is ready to finish assembly. But boy, what a bear. I mean, it really had us stumped. In fact, I'm thinking, well, it's the distributor drive gear there. That's messing things up, so we put it together without it. It's still, you would turn it, it would hit a spot, and it would pick the cam up. I don't know. If any of you out there have had any kind of circumstance like that happen to you, comment and let us know what you think. But it's turning smoothly now, so, you know, we're good to go. Anyways, what a pain in the derriere that was. But now we got to put the after we torque everything down, the case sides, put the pistons on, jugs in there, and we'll finish this baby up.
Alright, so now the two halves are finally together. Everything is torqued down. I think now it's time to get the jugs and pistons on. Then we can worry about the heads and everything else, but we're almost there.